With the ability to crush tree stumps quickly, tree stump crushers not only fascinate farmers, but also amaze the industry. Amazed by 200 giant agricultural technology wood chippers, fastest stump crushers of the whole tree chipping. The first is the Comtech Crambo 6000, with an operating weight of up to 29 tons and a powerful 583 horsepower engine. Complying with Tier 4 final emission standards, the machine is capable of processing up to 100 tons per hour. The CAT C18 ACERT engine provides 2001 lbf FT net torque and operates at a rated speed of 1800 RPM and has a displacement of 1,100 inches cubed. In terms of size, this wood crusher measures 25 feet long when transported, expanding to 35 feet 9 inches when in operation. The width of the machine is 9 feet 4 inches when transported. When it comes to its recycled wood crushing process, the tree is fed into the crusher, where the wood crusher operates using a rotating drum with powerful motor power. The grinding drum rotates at a moderate speed to crush the wood into pieces. Although at first the force is not strong, the piece of wood will still be a bit big. Then, at high speed and pressure, grind the wood into small pieces, creating pieces called shreds or felts called crushed wood. This process does not take too much time. With its powerful CAT C13 Tier 4 final engine of 440 horsepower, the WC2300XL whole tree wood crusher becomes a powerful solution for wood chip production. Materials can be handled efficiently via multi-speed conveyor chains, and smart crush technology and maintenance is simple with replaceable high-wear parts. There are two knife options with cutting depths of 3/8 of an inch or 5/8 of an inch. Helps the operator choose the right knife for the final product size needs. Next is the TP400 wood chipper, which is the ideal machine for the production of wood chips in the professional forestry sector. Capable of producing up to 400 meters cubed of wood chips per hour, this machine is the optimal choice for combined heat and power plants requiring wood chips. The extensive line of standard equipment includes a hydraulic belt clamping system between the PTO and disc with automatic roll speed adjustment. Integrated high-pressure hydraulic system and disc housing divided into sections with hydraulic opening and closing capabilities. This is the Terex TAC 790. The machine's equipped with a separate hydraulic system, oil tank and hydraulic pump. The capacity of the system is 91 liters. The process of feeding raw materials into the mill knife is carried out through a guide system with a hydraulically equipped top roller. It's pressed down and strongly pushes the material to crush and guide the material down the 183 centimeter long conveyor belt. The length of the mill knife slot is 912 millimeters. Milling knives have 2 cutting edges. The pillow surface has 4 working sides. Next comes the Sennebogen 718E with a train capacity of up to 13 meters in width. This machine is versatile in removing problem trees. With its light weight, the machine is easy to transport and has a small turning radius of only 2.4 meters, which is beneficial in maintaining dikes and using crushers and branch cutters. The unique max cap has a tilted up to 30 degrees, ensuring perfect visibility for felling and cleaning work. The operator works in an ergonomically optimized air suspension seat, and sliding doors provide easy access to the cab. Before us is the Vermeer SC30TX, with dimensions of 238.8 centimeters in length, 88.9 centimeters in width, and 124.5 centimeters in height. The machine weighs 703 kilograms when using the engine option 1. The fuel tank has a capacity of 25.7 liters and a maximum fuel consumption of 9.1 liters an hour. The machine can work at a maximum tilt angle of 25 degrees and is cooled by air and oil. This is a powerful and versatile engine unit designed to meet a variety of needs with stable performance and fuel economy. This is the ASV RT120F, equipped with a 3.8-litre Cummins turbocharged diesel engine, delivering up to 120 horsepower and 488 nanometers of torque. With a specified operating capacity of 1,699 kilos and a tilt load of 4,853 kilos, the RT120 also incorporates ASV's premium track suspension system. Famous for its smoothness, and includes both wheels and suspension axles, helping it achieve faster speeds on all types of terrain. These features combined with the RT120's up to 381mm capabilities. Right here is the Vermeer FT300, with a ringed rotor design that guides material to 23 cutting heads, creating a clean cut. To customize cutting performance based on job site needs, you can choose from cutting head options such as sharp planer. It includes a power package that allows increases of up to 320 horsepower when the engine drops from 2200 RPM to 2000 RPM under load. With a 137-gallon fuel tank, the machine has a large enough fuel capacity for you to work for a long time without interruption. A patent-pending self-positioning shield helps guide thrown materials at a certain angle. Raptor 300R, the machine's powerful capacity of 202 kilowatts, equipped with a Cat C7-1 engine, providing impressive performance. With a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per hour, it is not only powerful but also flexible on many types of terrain. The weight of the machine is 14,560 kilos. The stud panel has a width of 700 millimeters, and the ground pressure of the stud panel is rated at 265 grams and centimeters squared for solid performance. With the ability to climb front-side slopes of 45 or 30 degrees respectively, the machine can overcome steep terrain with ease. And the MUS Max 12Z, with a 135 by 90 centimeter loading opening, allows processing wood with a maximum diameter of 90 centimeters of softwood and 75 centimeters of hardwood. With a mill capacity of up to 300 centimeters per hour and 14 mill blades or cutters, it's capable of processing wood effectively. The screen area is 2.2 meters squared, which helps control the grinding process. Maximum discharge height is 5.3 meters, and maximum throw distance is 15 meters, providing flexibility during handling. The overall dimensions of the machine are 6.6 meters in length, 2.5 meters in width, and 4 meters in height, with an unladen weight of 17 tons without crane and 20 with crane. Next, let's come to the Olbach Diamond 2000, equipped with a full-time steering system with independent hydraulic motors on 2 main axles. This means that even when going up hills or over rough terrain, the machine can still operate with ease. The rotor, which is the heart of the crusher, has been continuously developed. It allows the production of crushed materials from 15 to 60 millimeters. Replaceable knife carriers adjust to different grinding materials to give the best results from the material available. Moorbach 3200 Woodhog. Although more compact and lighter, the Moorbach 3200 retains all the advantages of Moorbach's larger mills. With the ability to handle green waste, recyclables, brick mill residue, pallets, and even wood up to 14 inches in diameter. The machine can do the job easily. One of the unique features of the Moorbach 3200 is the ability to choose between equipping a tracking unit for enhanced mobility, or use electric power, creating flexibility for many working conditions. Finally, the Dipper Fox SC850 has a patent-protected mechanism that converts rotational speed into torque, depending on the stiffness of the stem. The requirements for the excavator include a minimum power of 74 kilowatts, operating pressure between 180 and 350 bar. Oil flow from 110 to 220 liters per minute, and excavator weight from 14 to 30 tons. The fast working speed and environmental friendliness make it extremely beneficial compared to the traditional stump digging method. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. I hope my video is enough to meet what you're looking for. We always listen and absorb your suggestions to improve the content of our channel. If you find it interesting, please subscribe and comment below my video.